All right, last one.
Scientists find elusive, grumpy-looking cats living on Mount Everest. How cool-looking is this cat? Like, he just looks so fed up with it. He's like, man, I got no oxygen up here. It's Mount Everest. But then at the same time, he looks like a wild cat, but he also looks like a domestic cat.
Yeah.
What is the name of this species? Pallas cat, known for their facial expressions, which I presume don't always look so grumpy. But you remember there was that grumpy cat that was extremely viral. I believe that grumpy cat has passed on at this point. Yeah. But this grumpy cat, when I started on YouTube, this grumpy cat was going all over the place to all the events and just crushing the numbers on YouTube. But even this cat looking more or less grumpy depending on the situation. But they had all kinds. They had merch with the grumpy cat. They had... Was there movies or books with... There was a movie of the grumpy cat?
I think so, yeah.
The grumpy cat met Stan Lee. But little did we know that there was an actual... that nature was also responsible for the OG of grumpy cats.
Yeah. This is what I look like when ChatGPT takes my job.
That's right. When you realize you have just trained ChatGPT into
very dissatisfied
how to take your job. Well, apparently there's actually quite a diverse set of wildlife up there in Mount Everest. It is a very unique environment. And a team of researchers embarked on a National Geographic expedition to Mount Everest in 2019. During the journey, the team collected their poo samples. Look at that. From 2 different locations. The samples came from sites at over 5,000 meters, 16,400 feet elevation. Damn, that cat's up there. I wonder what it eats. Birds, I guess. The team published its findings in the winter 2022 issue of the journal. It's phenomenal to discover proof of this rare and remarkable species at the top of the world. DNA analysis of the samples confirmed the cat's presence and showed they had likely been dining on weasels and pikas, which is another small mammal. And the discovery of this cat on Everest illuminates the rich biodiversity of that remote high alpine ecosystem, and also the specialization of these creatures to do well in these unusual environments. Are you going to show me if there's any other grumpy one? Oh, they're pretty...
Hey, this one's not bad.
Less grumpy, maybe hunting.
This one looks a bit dopey.
Give me Google Images, and we'll see.
Don't mind that one.
Just how grumpy they get. Oh, that's pretty grumpy. Yeah, that's pretty grumpy. It kind of look like a grumpy old man in some of these. You know? Get off my lawn type thing. Clint Eastwood type thing, which you're familiar with.
Yeah.
You turn into that from time to time. Yeah, all depending how things go.
This one's not bad. They're cute.
You're getting one.
Yeah.
A little companion for
Otis. Yeah.
It is the grumpy. I feel like this cat would probably destroy Otis, actually.
Yeah.
If they go toe to toe, it's quite possible. Look at that one. Look how grumpy he is on the next one. I mean, that's grumpy as well. But look at this one. He's grumpy as well.
Oh yeah.
Cool. All right, Mount Everest, grumpy cats. We covered a lot of things here today. Thank you very much to everybody who joined as